Alright, here is a CCM J2. This is an original J2, and it was drilled from CCM. It's actually anodized in the eye hole. And I just got it recently, and obviously it doesn't have the mech frame. It has the E2 frame, has an E2 solenoid, but it does have the J2 body, rag, pneumatics, and barrel. So I'm going to take the E2 frame off of this, and I'm going to find a mech frame to put on it. And I'm going to take the solenoid off, and I'm going to put a CCM switch in there. Body cuts on this are very neat. It's like a silver or graphite color, and has clear accents. CCM on the end cap of the reg. I think this is the wavy ram, the CCM wavy ram. Pretty good shape overall. Check it. Unimount.